Hey guys, today we're gonna compare these two popular spacers na nabibili natin locally dito sa Pilipinas. So we have here the Ermetiq Wheel Spacer and also here the Mr.Offset Wheel Spacer. So by the way, these are 30mm hub-centric wheel spacer and this one is 25. So objective ng video na to is to compare how they actually look like in person, how they are delivered, and let's start. So right now, buksan mo natin to si Ermetiq. So it comes with a packaging na ganito na. So ito lang actually yung box na mismo dumating. So ito siya guys. And next is the Mr.Offset Wheel Spacer. So this one is made in Taiwan. So meron din torque specification guide dito. So ito siya guys. Maximum recommended tire size is 33.5 inches, which is I go below. So install tayo ng tire sa 31.5 sa ating Hilux. So I guess very safe naman tayo dyan. So okay, so let's start opening the box. Okay, so we will compare these two spacers that I bought online. So we have here the Mr.Offset Wheel Spacer, and to my right is the Ermetiq Wheel Spacer. So they have the same spec naman. However, this one is 25mm compared to a 30mm spacer. So we'll go over it. So 6 means 6 studs, and then 139 is the diameter in between these studs, okay, and it has 106.1 center bore, and specifically made for Toyota Hilux, Fortuner, and Hi-Ace. Okay, so what's the difference between these two spacers that we have? So number one, baba mo natin ito si Mr.Offset. So this one is the Ermetiq Wheel Spacer. So Ermetiq brand is a new player here na nakita ko sa local market. So this is extremely popular sa online shops that you can find. And ang presyo ni Ermetiq is 50% less than a set ng Mr.Offset Wheel Spacer. So let's find out kung ano yung masulit or which brand works for you, for your budget, or your application. Okay. So sa construction ng materials, actually, parehas silang T6061 billet aluminum or aircraft aluminum material. So this one is made from, Mr.Offset is made from Taiwan. And sa Ermetiq, I'm not sure if this is made in China or Thailand. So wala kasi nakalagay sa box niya. But anyway, so let's compare the specs again. So these are anodized coat. So si Mr.Offset ay matte. And then if you look at the back side ni Mr.Offset, nakita mo, yan. Mr.Offset 10.9. So 10.9 means ay yung grade ng kanyang stud. So 10.9 means the stud has good strength and also has durability sa corrosion. And let's check naman sa back end ni Ermetiq. So you can see meron siyang detail na nakalagay. It's 12.9. So 12.9 grade yung nilagay ni Ermetiq sa studs niya. So what 12.9 means, it can handle extreme strength, or it was graded extreme strength, durability, and extreme corrosion resistance. So this is rated good, and this was rated in extreme condition. Okay, so I give the point to Ermetiq. Also, if you'll compare the studs, mas mahaba yung stud ni Ermetiq compare kay Mr.Offset. Okay, parehas naman sila may included na lug nuts. They also have the same size. It's 12, I don't know if you can see that. Based on this comparison, my conclusion is Ermetiq is best for budget if you have a budget But if you want a wheel spacer na very established yung brand, and I already tested this kasi I've been using this spacer for 3 years already or more. Paiba-iba kasi unit eh. So if you watch my video sa WildTrak, I also installed 35mm before using this spacer, and na-convert ako ng Raptor before, WildTrak to Raptor, and I use 60mm wheel spacer. So this one I already tested, and well, it will last. And sa Ermetiq naman, again, this is a new player a new brand sa market natin ngayon. But na-impress ako actually sa grade nitong stud niya, and also how it was built. So I'm not really sure if it was built in China or Thailand. I guess it will not matter as long as yung material is T6061 forged aluminum, not cast aluminum. So I think I'm gonna try this one as well. So I'm gonna install this sa Toyota Hilux. So this will be put sa rear, and 25mm goes to the front. Okay. So I'll update you guys kung paano yung magiging setup natin, and I'll make an install video and also how it will look like with my new tires that was installed to my Hilux. So if you enjoyed this video, please support this channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you do have a question, you can ask those questions down below. And yeah, see you sa next video, and I'm gonna update you guys using this spacer.